Welcome back to Heated Jacket Magic Cable. Today, we're going to show you how to give new life to an old Milwaukee 12V heated jacket by replacing its worn-out DC cable with a brand new 5521 DC cable. Let's get started. First, I cut away the outer casing of the cable to locate the old wiring. The next steps are about finding the wires, specifically the black and white wires that we need to replace. Once I found the wires, I cut them at the connection points. And slide heat shrink tubing over them. Then, I connect the new wires. Now, I use the soldering iron pen and solder wire to connect the wires. After soldering, I slide the heat shrink tubing over the connection point and gently heat it with a lighter to secure it. Next, I take a Milwaukee battery, connect the new DC cable, and test the jacket. It works perfectly. The final step is to sew up the cut edge of the jacket. Repair complete.